In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable Siri on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to get in the settings. Then scroll down until you find the Siri and search. And that's where we can activate Siri on our iPhone by activating the option which is called Press Side Button for Siri. We can just toggle it on and then tap at Enable Siri. Now we can long press side button located at the right edge to use Siri. So I'm gonna now long press. Siri, what's the weather now? And that's how we can, let's say, get weather forecast using Siri. However, if you want your iPhone to listen for Siri or Hey Siri, you can activate it if you tap at the very top at Listen For. Here we can choose which phrase we would like to use to activate Siri. We can select the first option that gives us two phrases, Siri or Hey Siri, or we can select just Hey Siri. Once you selected any of these options, you will be taken to the step where first off you need to tap at Continue, and then you will be asked to read a few sentences in order for Siri to better understand your voice. I'm gonna show you how to do that from the beginning. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Once it is done, Siri is ready to use. You can hit Add Done, and then once you say this phrase, it will activate Siri on your device. Hey Siri, what's the weather now? That's how we can activate and use Siri on our iPhone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.